Hi there, little one. Are you ready to play? Let's learn colors today. Here we go. Red, red. Which one is red? Red. Red. Blue, blue. Which one is blue? Blue. Blue. Yellow, yellow. Which one is yellow? Yellow. Yellow. Pink, pink. Which one is pink? Pink. Pink. Green, green. Which one is green? Green. Green. Orange, orange. Which one is orange? Orange. Orange. Brown, brown. Which one is brown? Brown. Brown. Purple, purple. Which one is purple? Purple. Purple. Black, black. Which one is black? Black. Black. Gray, gray. Which one is gray? Gray. Gray. White, white. Which one is white? White. White. Great job! You found every circle. You said all the colors too. Wow, you're amazing! Bye-bye, little one. See you next time. Let's play again soon.